Welcome to my channel. Enjoy Cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today.
Today we're going to make lemon garlic chicken. We have here 10 nice medium-sized chicken legs, fresh garlic, fresh lemon. These are some seasonings that we're going to put together. Let's start with a little bit of paprika. Okay, so let's little sage. Put that together. Okay. Basil, I like basil. Dry basil, just a little. Okay. Just a little cumin. That's all you need. It's very powerful. Chili powder has its own lovely color, and it gives a little kick to it as well. Okay. Salt. Gotta have your salt. Black pepper. Okay, let's mix this up and get an even consistency. Let's see what we got. Okay. And then I'm going to taste it to see if the flavor is balanced the flavor that I'm looking for. This is seasoning the chicken now. That looks good. Okay, now we have our dry seasoning put together. Let's coat this nicely with some nice olive oil, everyone. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now we're going to shake our seasoning that we prepared. Cover it nicely, evenly. Wonderful. That looks great. Okay. Now we're going to hit it with some fresh garlic. Don't be shy. Now we're going to squeeze our lemon in. I'm going to catch my seeds with my strainer. Just squeeze all that lemon in there. Wonderful. Oh wow, this is a nice lemon. See? It captures the seeds. We're going to get all the juice and hold back the seeds. Sometimes you can't see the seeds. All right, let's just do one whole lemon. This is 1/2. Okay. We're going to do the other one. Just don't be shy. Squeeze it in there. Wonderful. I'm going to just make sure I get all that flavor in there. And we're going to mix all this together. Okay, everyone? This is good. This is a nice lemon. Okay, let's mix this up. Wow. Look at that. Don't be shy. You're going to get all those flavors in there, guys. Okay. Wonderful. Let's place our nicely seasoned chicken in our casserole pan, guys. Here we go. All right. This is wonderful. Okay. This is delicious. Okay. Get that in there. It smells delicious. Wow. Okay, that looks great. Let's pour some of this nice seasoning over the chicken, okay? All right. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take a whole lemon that's been sliced, and we're just going to stick the slices all in between. That's what we're doing. Sticking it all in between. Wonderful. That's it. Okay, now we have our chicken ready to go into our preheated oven, which has been preheated for 400 degrees. We're going to bake this at 450 for 30 to 35 minutes or until chicken is fully cooked. Okay guys, here we have our lemon baked garlic chicken right out the oven, 30 minutes. Thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Enjoy Cooking with Al.